Hello guys, today I'm going to show you some carnivorous herbivorous place for the omnivorous animals. Here I'm making but first I'm going to set up a water hole for the animals. Place is ready. Next, I'm animals that eat plants. We have giraffe. Going to show you the herbivorous animals. We have an Indian rhinoceros, one of the strongest animals. The African buffalo wants to be in the water. Next, we have an Australian animal, kangaroo. Here's a moose, which can be found in North America. Here's a wild water buffalo or Asian buffalo. Here's the Bactrian camel, also known as Mongol. Here's a Rocky Mountain goat, which can be found in North America, Playas. Here's a zebra, which can be found in Africa. Here's an Himalayan tahr, so those are herbivorous. And here's another big cat, king cheetah. Here's a caiman, which can be found in animals. Now carnivorous animals. Here's a tiger. We have another big cat, a leopard. Here's a wild dog, African painted dog. Here's a timber wolf, a mountain wolf. Here's a serval, a wildcat native to Africa. Here's an Australian wild dog, dingo. Here's the bobcat, also known as red lynx. A spotted hyena, which eat plants and meat. Here's a Japanese monkey. Here's a caracal, a wildcat native to Africa. Here's an ape, gorilla. Next, I'm going to show you some omnivores. Here's a spider monkey. Here's a primate, golden lion tamarin, wild pig, or a wild boar. Here's a bear, or a black bear. Here's a wild canine, Maine wolf. We have a red fox. We have a bird, flamingo. And lastly,